Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small from CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of structuring your requests prudently. If you don't know what that means, we're talking about you give your people your stuff in a way that they actually can use it and it doesn't cause more problems. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you if or probate questions and you would like to talk to us over the phone for free, you can go to estatemeeting.com. All right. So this today's topic again comes from a potential client meeting today, and then it was another case of this is something that probably could have been fixed earlier, but now that someone has passed away, everything is stuck, and you're gonna have to figure out the problem. And the sad thing is this actually could have been fixed rather easily. This problem I'm going to tell you about, but now that it's fixed, it's probably going to take many thousands of dollars to fix. And the unfortunate thing is those thousands of dollars are going to effectively come out of the estate of the person that structured their will incorrectly, and have just gotten some expertise beforehand and saved a bunch of time and heartache and frustration and money from their loved ones. So to give you the gist of this deal, obviously the names and details have been changed to protect those that I've talked to, but I had someone call me and someone in their life had just passed and had a piece of property that they gave to the person that I was talking to and to someone else. And they gave that property to both equally, all right? And then in the will, the person that died gave one of the people the ability to buy the property from the person by paying in equal installments over the course of 25 years. Okay, that might sound good or bad to you depending on what side of the aisle you're on, but for the person that has to wait 25 years to complete their gift under the will or the bequest under the will, they're going to have to endure the liability of being a 50% property owner. They're going to have to endure working together with the other person, and which may or may not be good or bad depending on your relationship with that person. And they're going to have to also think about what this money is worth 25 years later, because a dollar now is worth much less 25 years later, right? So by structuring a different way, for example, requiring the person that wanted to purchase the property to get financing, sell the property, or finding some other way to distribute to the other person that was going to get bought out, could have saved a significant amount of time. Or potentially just realizing that the solution that they wanted was not going to be possible given the circumstances, and trying to come up with a different type of solution could have also been the problem, or could have also happened. But instead, they are now kind of stuck with this problem, and they are stuck with finding a solution. Means going to the court, potentially initiating some litigation to figure out how to solve this problem in a way that allows both people to kind of get what they want, and also to out from under the problem that they have. And what I told them when I was talking to them on the phone is that may be a situation where everyone is unhappy, and that's the best way that it can be, because I don't know that everybody's going to be able to get what they want under this circumstance without having to give a little. So again, the point here, be careful when you're thinking about the way that you want to structure your bequests. And they're technically sort of gifts under the will. When you're thinking about what you want to give your people under your will, if you're trying to do something like complicated, or if you think you're trying to do something unique, or you think you're trying to do something a little different, please talk to somebody about it to make sure that you're not sort of missing something. haven't forgotten an important piece of the puzzle. It's going to come back to haunt one at the end of the day. Because for the most part, people when they're structuring estate plans, they're trying to ease the burden of their people when they're gone, not create problems. So that's it. Take the time to think about how you want to structure your bequests and do so in a way that actually gets the results that you want. And often that comes by talking to somebody, thinking about it a little bit more, getting some expert advice, and then taking the correct action. Okay, that is it. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And if you want to talk more about your own estate planning or probate issues, concerns, then go to estatemeeting.com. You can time to talk with us over the phone for free. estatemeeting.com. Okay, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. As always, thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will see you again soon.